Has filed a federal lawsuit against the city of Prairie Grove and the police department there.
In the lawsuit, they say 2 Prairie Grove police officers violated their civil rights during an incident back in January of 2014. KNWA's Tevin Wooten spoke with the attorney representing that couple and the police chief, who believes the department's actions were within reason. He joins us in the studio with more. Tevin?
Yeah, you guys, the attorney representing the family says this is a case where officers should have sought out the facts before they entered the couple's home and started asking questions. Now the couple is asking a jury to decide who is at fault. According to the police report, officers responded to a welfare check in Prairie Grove in January 2014 after a neighbor said she hadn't seen Joy Williams in days and believed Joy's husband, Pendarvis Williams, was in her home in violation of a protection order. When officers arrived, they asked Pendarvis if they can come in to speak with Joy.
Can we come in and talk to her then?
You come in and talk with her then. Okay.
But then they followed Pendarvis inside. In this body cam video, you hear the officers speaking with Joy, who says she's okay.
Well, we got a concern about you, so I don't need to talk to him. I need to talk to you.
Well, I'm fine. I just don't feel good.
And they still continue to question Pendarvis.
He ain't did nothing. I didn't even call y'all. I'm trying to figure out what is going on.
It was later determined there was not a protection order against Pendarvis, and the Williams believed the officers were in their home illegally.
It's about to go south. It's about to go south real quick.
The video shows the officers continuing to ask the couple questions, and the Williams telling the officers they shouldn't be in their house. Eventually, Pendarvis is tased and then arrested.
To me, it appears that at multiple junctures in the interaction with that family, the officers could have de-escalated it.
According to Arkansas law, in order to enter someone's home, you must have a warrant, probable cause, informed consent, or exigent circumstance.
Checking the boxes, none of those things applied. It would have taken a few more minutes for them to actually confirm whether there was any valid and legal reason for them to make contact with my client, and they simply didn't take that time.
The Williams are suing the officers, the police chief, and the city for negligence, liability, and violation of civil rights, amongst other allegations. However, the police department says their officers acted within reason.
The chief then determined there's no direct policy violations, or the officers acted out of line in what they did.
Now, we reached out to the city attorney, but he told us he cannot comment because he hadn't seen the lawsuit yet. I'm Tevin Wooten for KNWA, Northwest Arkansas News.
All right, Tevin, thank you so much for that report, sir.